In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up on Shopify. Pop-ups can be a fantastic tool for engaging your customers, capturing email addresses, or informing visitors about ongoing promotions. Whether you're new to Shopify or looking to enhance your store's customer interaction, this guide will be straightforward and easy to follow. Firstly, let's navigate to your Shopify admin panel. From there, head over to the Apps section. If you haven't already installed an app for pop-up creation, you'll want to visit the Shopify App Store. Simply search for Pop Up among the various options that appear. There are many to choose from, some offering free trials or basic plans to get you started without commitment. Take a moment to read through the descriptions and reviews to ensure you select one that aligns well with your store's goals. Once you've picked your desired app, click Add App and follow the on-screen prompts to install it into your Shopify store. After installation, return to your apps list and open the new pop-up app you've just installed. Each app's interface might be slightly different, but generally, they will guide you through the process of setting up a new pop-up campaign. Usually, you'll start by choosing a template. Many apps offer a variety of customizable templates perfect for different purposes, such as collecting emails, advertising sales, or cart abandonment pop-ups. As you select a template, think about your objective. For instance, if you aim to grow your mailing list, a simple and enticing discount offer might encourage sign-ups. If advertising a time-limited sale, ensure the design is eye-catching with a clear call to action. Once you've chosen a template, you'll enter the customization phase. Here, you can modify text, fonts, colors, and images to fit your brand aesthetics. This is an important step, as consistency with your store's look and feel helps build trust with your visitors. Pay close attention to settings that allow you to decide when and how often the pop-up will appear. For example, having a pop-up show immediately upon page load can be off-putting, whereas a slight delay or a trigger based on scrolling depth can be more effective. Next, focus on the pop-up's placement options. You can select settings to display the pop-up on all pages, specific types of pages, or even targeted campaigns for different segments of your audiences, like new versus returning visitors. Many apps also offer targeting based on user behavior, which can greatly enhance the effectiveness of your pop-up. Don't forget to preview and test your pop-up before finalizing it. This is essential to ensure that it looks good on all devices from desktops to smartphones. You don't want to miss out on mobile users just because the pop-up isn't responsive. Once you're satisfied, hit the Publish button. Congratulations! Your pop-up is now active. Remember, monitor its performance through analytics offered by the app, and make adjustments as necessary to maximize its impact. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you should be able to create an effective pop-up that engages your Shopify store visitors. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!